here.
Huh? Take the cover off. We gotta take the cover off. It won't. And show them up to the camera.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Oh dear, here's one that fell on the floor.
What are the lemons out? Oh, for the fish?
Yep. It's their supper.
It's a donut. Dad, it's a donut. What?
I don't think it's too good.
No, but
It's really great.
the birds don't like it. I mean, the birds will eat it.
After 30 years, and he says the federal trust land issue is the most important to his people right now.
The television's too loud.
Casino was first built, United
I can't
they would be exempt
turn
from
it
paying
down.
taxes. For years, political leaders have been pushing the United Indian Nation to pay its fair share of sales and property taxes. Halberter says that's where the trust land application comes in. If they get approval, the Oneida Indian Nation territory would technically become the government's property, and the Oneidas would be exempt from paying taxes. But Halberter says the nation has gone above and beyond with other companies.
That faucet won't stay on.
No. Boy, look at this piece of throw this away.
Alright.
Halberter pointed to the upcoming Destiny USA as an example of a local company getting
Salmon's supposed to be good for you, you know.
If their trust land application gets approval from the Department of Interior within the next year. We'd like to hear what Halberter has to say on other issues the United States.
I don't want to hear what Halberter. I want to hear what Halberter's got to say ever.
We will have more
What,
from
Larry?
Halberter on
Nothing.
2 and 6.
Where do you turn it down?
Yeah, turn it down, turn it off.
This will go right in there.
I'll put it in.
Just look out. Yeah. Look how nice that fits in there. See?
Just like, what's that guy's name? Chef,
Huh?
just like the television chef guy. What's his name? What's the guy's name? Emerald Lagasse? Bella Lugosi?
Whatever his name is. You know how you make this?
No, that's
Oh. You put a little salt and pepper and a little butter on it and bake it.
cut up the rest of the watermelon. Daddy said those donuts were no good, but you didn't buy the donuts. Somebody gave them to you, didn't they?
Yeah,
I don't think he understood that.
he knows that.
I don't know.
I told him that. See, you dot it with butter. You know where I love the salmon? Up at the Red Lobster.
I've never been there. I don't like the name.
Oh, the salmon is so good.
Yeah, I sent Dr. Bad up there. He wanted to know where to go. I sent him for... He was going there, and he asked me what to order. I said, I've never been there. You've only been there.
Oh,
and
I've gone there, and I've had the salmon.
Yeah, I said you ordered...
Not the grill. The grilled is dry.
Oh, I told him to order the grilled.
No, it's dry.
That's what I said. It was so good.
No, the salmon. The broiled. The broiled salmon is so good.
I told him the wrong thing.
Well, seems like you did.
What? You didn't say about putting lemon on it. You just said salt, pepper, and butter. When's this lemon?
Right now, I'm adding it with butter and then putting lemon juice over it.
And how long you put it in the oven?
Half an hour.
In the oven or the broil?
I'm going to bake it.
Bake for a half hour.
Well, you want a recipe?
Nah.
See, I put lemon juice on it. It makes it nice and juicy.
If the turtle doesn't get up, put that in the refrigerator just the way it is with the water in it.
Do you have to feed them before you leave?
I don't have time.
Well, they better get